Here at Lloyd Jaguar Newcastle, we are pleased to present this 2023 Jaguar F-PACE, finished in Carpathian Grey, with black exterior pack, black roof rails, privacy glass and red brake calipers. It also comes with 12 months warranty and roadside assistance, as well as having had only one previous owner. To the rear, the boot offers a generous load space, perfect for all your everyday needs, large family life and big adventures. Inside, you're greeted by stunning Jaguar luxury, with Light Oyster grained Windsor leather sports seats. Both front and rear are spacious, giving all passengers ample legroom and ultimate comfort. The entire interior of this vehicle is clean, contemporary and beautifully crafted, exactly what you'd expect from a Jaguar vehicle. The driver-focused steering wheel gives you access to voice control, volume, cruise control, lane assist and heated steering buttons. In this technology-focused vehicle, front seats are both heated and cooled with a memory function, which alongside climate control keeps you comfortable in all conditions. A 3D camera gives confidence when parking and manoeuvring, while a sliding panoramic sunroof creates an airy and light atmosphere. For more information about this vehicle or to get in touch, please follow the link in the description below.